Hello everyone, welcome to new lesson today. Let's learn today how we can create data entry form in Excel. It is very easy. Let me show you. Let me show you with a small example. Like I need a name and mobile number. I need to collect name and mobile number. So how we can create a data? I need two information, name and mobile. So I want to create a data entry form for this. So let's see how we can do it. Let me select this two. I'll go to this form. There is a form over here. Once I click on this form, it will ask me to OK this. I'll have to OK. You can see now it is asking the detail, name, mobile number. Let me write something. I have given the name. Now mobile number. Let's. You can type anything. All right. Now, how will this work? That when I need to put a new entry, then just simply click on new. See, you can see here we have got the name and phone number. Let's try some other number. Francis. Now let me write something. Random numbers. So I have made a new entry. Let's see what happens if I click on new. I've got two numbers and two name. So like this you can keep on collecting your data with this form. Now let me show you how you can have this form on your Excel sheet, because in your Excel sheet it won't reflect. You need to add this form on your Excel sheet. There is a process for this to have this form. So you can see there is a tab here, small tab, customize quick action toolbar. You need to click on this. You'll go down. You can see more commands. You need to click on more commands. Over here you can see there is a dialog box. In this dialog box you need to select all commands. I have selected all commands. Then click on F, because you just keep clicking F unless you get form. See, I have got form here. You need to click on this form and simply add. Mine is already added. You can see here. That is why I'm not adding it again. Whenever you need to have a form, you need to add a form, you will go to the customize the quick action toolbar. Then you will select all commands. Then you will keep pressing F unless you get form. Then you will simply click on add. Then OK. You will have your form on the top of your Excel sheet. You can customize your form according to your detail required. I needed only name and mobile number. That is why I have given name and mobile number. If you are required more details, then you can have more details option as well in this form. Let me try this. I need gender. Gender. Let's see we get or not. Now you can see have gender detail as well over here. Male. See, now gender detail is also reflecting in this data because I have added gender as well. I needed one more detail, so I have mentioned gender details also required. So now you can see when you mention gender, then it will reflect to this form. Now Francis, let me try. When I'll click on new, you can see it's have got the data. It is entry is getting here. We are getting the entry. Like this you can have multiple entry details You can customize your form according to your requirement. This is very simple to create a form, data entry form. So you can create a data entry form in Excel with the help of this tab, form tab. It is very simple, as I shown you how you can add multiple details. If you want more entry, how can you add more details as well. This is very simple. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you learned new thing with this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.